Okay.
Do it.
Ready.
Ah, it won't let me. My battery's so low.
That's so nasty.
That's ridge for you.
Ew! He used his hands in it.
Oh my god.
Ew!
Make me want to puke. This is what happens when you have guests over. Tell him what I put in it.
Ew! Okay, this is what he put in it. Ranch. Where'd it go? Oh. Not vodka. This stuff. Chocolate. And syrup.
Wait, stop.